Hello, 8th class. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Myself, Premikash Khemkar, Faculty of Math in Kana Kingdom Smart Education D2. Now we discuss about in the class 8 discuss about the syllabus. सिलेबस कह लीजिए, कंटेंट कह लीजिए या इंट्रोडक्शन कह लीजिए कि आपका सिलेबस क्या क्या है। पेपर में सिलेबस 7th ईयर का 7th क्लास का 50% सिलेबस आर अवेलेबल इन 8th क्लास। फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज रैशनल नंबर। इन द रैशनल नंबर वी डिस्कस अबाउट रैशनल नंबर प्रॉपर्टी, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स एंड एडिटिव इनवर्स, and how to read two rational numbers, how to multiple rational numbers, find out the rational numbers between two numbers. Okay. Second chapter is linear equation in one variable. In the last time, x plus 4 is equal to 7. Find out the value of x. Linear equation in one variable. In the class 8, we discuss about language based equation. Here we make equation and shoot out them. कभी कभी हमारे पास इक्वेशन होगी, उन्हें शॉर्ट आउट करना रहेगा। कभी कभी आपको लैंग्वेज से इक्वेशन बनानी रहेगी। ओके। इन द थर्ड चैप्टर क्वाड्रिलेटर, इन दिस क्वाड्रिलेटर वी डिस्कस अबाउट पॉलीगन, टाइप्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटर, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटर, रोम्बस, पैरेललोग्राम, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, etc. In the chapter 4, construction of a quadrilateral. In this here we draw some diagram with use of compass, pencil, eraser, sharpener, protractor, scale, D, इन सब का यूज करते हुए अपन क्वाड्रिलेटर को कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे। In the chapter 5, data handling. In the 7th class, I think chapter 2 जो आपने पढ़ा है सेम चैप्टर आपके क्लास 8 में है, बट थोड़ा सा एडिशन जो है इसमें प्लस किया गया है। ओके। 6th चैप्टर स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर, 6th and 7th चैप्टर इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर 8th क्लास, 9th क्लास, 10th क्लास, 11th, 12th एंड एनी अदर एग्जामिनेशन। इन स्क्वायर we find out the square, cube and cube. They are और ये दो चैप्टर हैं, वो मेंशुरेशन में आपको जरूर मिलेंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज साइड स्क्वायर। तो सपोज दैट साइड इज 25, तो व्हाट इज द 25 स्क्वायर? हियर 25 स्क्वायर। 25 स्क्वायर इज 625। व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 625? is 25. Then cube and cube, and again comparison of quantity. Here we discuss about the compound interest, simple interest, profit, loss, etc. In the chapter 9, algebraic expression. In the class 7th, you study chapter number 12. Here same chapter, algebraic expression are solved. Chapter 10, visualization solid cell. Here चौक है, चौक को मैंने कट कर दिया है। चौक का शेप कैसा दिखाई दे रहा है, चौक का जो शेप होता है सिलेंड्रिकल शेप होता है। ये सारी की सारी जो, जैसे आपको कोई चीज दे दी जाती है, कोई थिंग या ऑब्जेक्ट की शेप बतानी रहती है। ओके। मेंशुरेशन, हियर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द रेक्टेंगल एरिया, रेक्टेंगल पेरीमीटर, स्क्वायर एरिया, स्क्वायर पेरीमीटर, सर्कल एरिया, सर्कल पेरीमीटर, etc. and the exponent and power. Exponent 2 की पावर 5, 2 की पावर 6, 2 की पावर 8, 2 की पावर 9. Direct and inverse proportion. Here we discuss about the proportional system, direct and here 13 chapter is new for you. जो 13 chapter है वो नया है आप लोगों के लिए। 14 factorization of algebraic. 12 and 14 chapter are related to each other. Here we discuss 14 and 9 chapter are related to each other. Here we discuss about how to add algebraic expression, multiply, addition, divide, and here factorization. यहाँ जो हम एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन कर रहे हैं, इसको यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? शॉर्ट आउट करेंगे। 15 लीनियर ग्राफ। जो ग्राफ आपने 7th क्लास में पढ़ा सेम ग्राफ 8th क्लास में प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स। ये प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स में आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करना है। सपोज दैट ईयर 2 3 व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ ईयर, इट्स नंबर इज 4। ओके, ये 0 0 थर्ड नंबर इज 0। ये सभी ये जो चैप्टर्स थिंग है इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन कंडीशंस, प्रॉपर्टी एंड माइंड concept question are available in chapter 16. Okay, it's clear. Now we discuss about chapter number first. What is the rational number? Firstly, we going through rational number, we discuss about what is the number, how many digits are in it. Numbers. How many digits are in max? These numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any number 6, 7, 5, 3, 2. This number is made through these numbers. ये नंबर इन सभी नंबर से बनाया गया 4 6 7 5 3 2। इन द इंग्लिश A to Z 16 and 26 अल्फाबेट। मैं कैसे करेंगे, कोई भी स्पेल बनाइए आप, स्कूल, इट, रैशनल। how it's possible, because we know that what is the alphabet. How we know the number? First we will know that how many digits are there? 0 to 9. 0 to 9 digits map some numbers. Okay. Now we are going to rational number. What is the rational number? Definition of rational number and examples of rational numbers. A number which can be expressed in number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, and where Q is not equal to 0, where Q is not equal to 0, and one condition over there रखी है P and Q are integers. So what is this definition? Explain. A number can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P or Q are integers. You know what is the integers? Integers are integers are 0, 1, 2, infinity, 1, minus 2, infinity. It's called integers. Okay, in the form of P upon Q. For example, 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. It's P, it's Q. Q is not equal to 0. Okay. P and Q. 7 upon 8. 1 upon 5. 5 is also is P upon Q. Sir, why? Because you divided by 5 is 5 upon 1. We can return 5 is equal to 5 upon 1. It's form of P upon Q. It's form of P upon Q. So it's also a rational number. They are positive rational numbers. So we find our negative rational numbers. they are positive rational numbers and we अब आपसे कहे कि माइनस बताएं, माइनस सॉरी नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर्स बताएं, -3/5 माइनस के 3/5 -4. A number which can be expressed in the form of P/Q where Q is not equal to 0, for example it is. Now sir, what is the meaning of Q in not equal to 0? Suppose that it is 4/0. What is the answer of this? This answer of it. We can't define it and can't solve it. So Q is not equal to 0. So rational number definition is a number which can express in form of P/Q. It's called rational number. Example of rational numbers. I hope it's clear. Now we discuss about how to addition of rational numbers. Firstly, we discuss about addition number. Then we discuss about subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, and division of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. Here we discuss about more question. How to find out the rational numbers. Here P/Q. P को क्या रीड करते हैं न्यूमरेटर और Q को क्या रीड करते हैं डेनोमिनेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर क्या रीड करते हैं इट्स डेनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर. आई होप इज क्लियर. नाउ एडिशन ऑफ द टू नंबर्स. वैन यहाँ अपन ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे जहाँ डेनोमिनेटर सेम होगा, डेनोमिनेटर डिफर होगा. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट व्हेन डेनोमिनेटर इज सेम. फॉर एग्जांपल 4/5 plus 2/5. डेनोमिनेटर इज सेम, सो इजीली प्लस कर देंगे. 5 4 plus 2 is 6/5. ओके, डेनोमिनेटर कैसा था, सेम था, तो आप प्लस कर दिए. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. सपोज दैट वी डिस्कस अबाउट वन मोर क्वेश्चन. 5/3 plus -7/3. ओके, सो 5/3 मल्टीप्लाई में प्लस माइनस मल्टीपल रिजल्ट ऑफ प्लस मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस रिजल्ट इज माइनस. सो -7. व्हाट इज द एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 3 is 3. Here we discuss about what is the LCM. Okay, 3 and 3, 5 minus 7 minus 2 4. Denominator same. 5 plus minus is minus. 5 minus 7 is equal to -2/3. I hope it's clear. Okay, up where denominator are same, more question where denominator are not same. -3/5 plus -5/4. All the examples are available in your book. Okay, and sorry 5/4 -3/4 -5/4. What is the denominator? 4 and 4 is 2. -3 प्लस माइनस 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 5 minus 8 upon 4. So answer is minus 2. I hope it's clear. Now, a question where is denominator are not same. So how we can sort out this? Minus 4 upon 3 plus 2 upon 7. Minus 4 upon 3 plus 2 upon 7. एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. ओके, इस क्वेश्चन को मैं आपको 2 से 3 मेथड से शॉर्ट आउट करेंगे. हाउ वी कैन शॉर्ट आउट दिस मेथड? सो आप लोगों का जो प्रॉपर ध्यान बोर्ड पे रहना चाहिए. सो वी फाइंड आउट द एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर. फर्स्ट मेथड, 3 and 7 are odd numbers. Find the 3 and 7 are odd numbers. So multiply them. When denominator are odd numbers. When denominator are odd number, then multiply them. 3 or 7 multiply. Condition is when denominator are odd numbers. Denominator are odd numbers. Then 3 multiplied by 7. Then 7 multiplied by 4 plus 5. 3 multiplied by 2. Again 3. When denominator are odd numbers, 3 and 7 are odd numbers. Multiply that. 3 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 2. It's 28 plus 6. 3 multiplied by 7 is 20. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. 7 multiplied by 4 28. 3 multiplied by 2 6. Answer is 34 upon 21. Answer is 34 upon 21. I hope it's clear. Now discuss again second method. How we find out the addition of 4 upon 3 plus 2 upon 7. Both methods are available. जो मेथड आपको अच्छा लगे आप यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन है LCM of 3 and 7. LCM of 3 7. Sir, what is the LCM? LCM is least common multiple. Least common multiple. How we find out the LCM? So 3 and 7. 3 and 7 divisible by 3 and 7. 3 7. 7 से divisible करेंगे 1 1. So 3 multiplied by 7 it's equal to 21. Again स्टार्टिंग में आपने इसको 2 से डिवाइड किया. 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है नहीं सर. फिर आपने अगेन सेकंड नंबर 3 से डिवाइड करा. 3 से डिविजिबल हो गया बट 7 is not divisible by 3. So again you 7 divided by 7 and लास्ट में कितना आ गया 1 1. यहाँ आपको स्टॉप कर देना. ओके, आगे देखिए मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. What is the LCM of 3 7? LCM of 3 7 is 21. Okay, it's clear. Here 21. How many times 21 is divisible by 3? Its answer is 7. 21 में 3 से डिवाइड करने पे कितना क्वेश्चन आएगा? 7. 7 is multiplied by 4. 7 is multiplied by 4. Sign is plus. Okay. 7 21, how many times 21 is divisible by 7? It's 3 times, and 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2. Again, LCM of 3 7. LCM of 3 7 is 20. Okay. How many times in the three tables 1 is available? 7 times. 7 is multiplied by 4. 7 is multiplied by 4. How many times in the table of 7 21 is available? 3 times. So 3 multiplied by 2, it's 6. Okay, clear? Now 7 4 are 20, 3 2 are 6 and 21, and answer is 34 and 21. Suppose that LCM मेथड इसलिए आपको बताया गया कि टर्म्स here two terms in the summation you look, आप देखेंगे कि terms are 2 3 4 5. तो how we can solve this type of question where we use the LCM method? Where we use the LCM method? We also use method first, but easily sort out हो जाए, टाइम जो है कंज्यूम ना करें, इसलिए अपन कौन सा क्वेश्चन सॉर्ट आउट, कौन सा मेथड यूज करेंगे? इन द 9th class, in the 10th class, method we use by second method. I hope it's clear. Now we discuss about one more question. Two upon 5 plus 1 upon 6. Here one number is odd and one number is even. One number is odd, one number is even. One denominator is odd, one denominator is even. Multiply that. Same process. 5 multiplied by 6, 6 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 1. Okay. 12 plus 5 is equal to 30. Answer is 17 upon 30. Answer is 17 upon 30. Answer is 17 upon 30. Okay. Answer is 17 upon 30. Again, 5 and 6 are denominator. One is odd and other is even. Multiply them. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. 6 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 1, and addition and add. 12 plus 5 upon 30 is 17 upon 30. It's 17 upon 30. What is the addition of this number? 17 upon 30. Now we can solve this second method. Now we can solve this by second method, and second method is LCM of 5 6. Firstly we divide by 5 6 2. 5 divisible not. 6 में आप 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, it's 3, and also divided by 3, 5 and 1, and it's also divided by 5 1. Sorry. So what is the LCM here? 2 3 5. LCM is 30. Again सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से डिवाइड करना है. फर्स्ट 2 से डिवाइड करा, 6 में 3. अगेन डिविजिबल बाय 3, 5 3 में 3 से डिवाइड करा 1. अगेन डिवाइडेड बाय 5, 5 में 5 से डिवाइड करा 1 का 1. मल्टीप्लाई करें, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 is 30. 5 2 is 10, 10 3 is 30. Now LCM is 30. What is the LCM is 30. Denominator कितना था? 30. अभी भी आपके पास denominator कितना निकल के आया? 30. Okay. 30. How many times in table of 5 30 is available? Is 6 times. 6 is multiplied by plus 5. In the how many times? In the table of 6, 30 is available. It's 5 times. 5 multiplied by 9. Both are same. Both are same. 12 plus 5 upon 30 is 70 upon 30. It's 70 upon 30. I hope it's clear. Addition of rational number. I hope addition of rational numbers are clear. Now we are going to subtraction of rational number. Method is subtraction of rational number. Subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational number is, for example, 4 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5. Denominator are same, so 5, 4 minus 6 is minus 2 upon 5. Simple. For example, 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3. So LCM is 3. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 upon 3. Simple method. Now 5 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. So minus multiplied by minus, minus multiplied by minus is plus. So LCM is 3 minus minus plus 7 and 12 upon 3 when divided by 12 is 3. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. I hope it's clear. When denominator are same. Okay? When denominator are not same. Your first question is subtract minus 7.8 from 5 upon 8. This question is available in class 7. Now we discuss again in class 8. Subtract minus 7 upon 8 from 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8 subtract minus 7 upon 8. You know what is the denominator in it? 5 minus minus plus 7 is 12 upon 8. It's 12 upon 8. Both numbers are divisible by 4. Is 3, it's 2. कट करेंगे तो दोनों नंबर सेम नंबर से कट हो गए. Just divide divisible by 4. It's divisible by 4. So answer is 3 upon 2. So answer is 3 upon 2. Now second question is subtract minus 3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 4. Minus 5 upon 4. Okay? Very simple. Minus 4 upon minus 3 upon 8 minus 3 and minus 4. So how we can sort out this? We sort out this question by third method. तीनों मेथड का यूज करेंगे. minus 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon minus minus plus. Now simple method. Multiply by 4 multiply by 8. 4 multiply by 8. Okay. 8 multiply by minus 5 plus 3 multiply by 4. Okay. Minus 14 plus 12 upon 32. It's minus 28 upon 32. 22, 32. Both numbers are divisible by 4. So answer is minus 7 upon 8. Again 4 और 8 multiply by 8 multiplied by minus 5, 4 multiplied by 3. 40 plus 12 is minus 28 upon 32. Divisible by 4 is 7 upon 8. I hope it's clear. And now second method. Second method is LCM of 4 variables. They both are divisible by 2 and 4. Again 2, 1 and 2. Again 2, 1 and 1. Multiply by that, its answer is 8. 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. Its answer is 8. LCM of minus 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 8 minus 5 upon 4 plus 3 upon 8. LCM is 8. How many times 8 available in 4 tables? 8 divided by 4, it's 2. 2 multiplied by minus 5 plus 5. How many times 8 available in 8 table? Its time is 1. 1 multiplied by 3. Minus 10 plus 3 upon 8. Answer is minus 7 upon 8. Our first method answer is minus 7 upon 8. 4 or 8 LCM is 8. How many times 8 available in 4 tables? 2 times. How many multiplied by minus 5? How many times 8 is available in 8 table? 1 time. 1 multiplied by 3. Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7 upon 8. Answer is minus 7 upon 8. Now third method is here denominator is 8. Here denominator is 8. When you multiply by minus 5 upon 4, both sides multiply by 2 plus 3 upon 8. It's become minus 10 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. Why I do? मैंने इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया? बिकॉज डेनोमिनेटर आर सेम. बिकॉज मैं डेनोमिनेटर सेम करना चाहता था. 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 8, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इट्स 10. LCM is 8 minus 10 plus 3 and answer is minus 7 8. So तीनों मेथड आपके पास अवेलेबल है. तीनों मेथड आपके पास अवेलेबल है. आपको जो अच्छा लगे उससे आप शॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं. बाकी की मोर क्वेश्चन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन we short out in our next video. So go and take your rough notebook and sort out all questions are related to rational numbers like multiplication, like division, like addition, like subtraction. Okay, have a good day and stay home.